I'm Adam Hansel. I'm the VP of our Terrafab group at Terabase Energy. What we're doing here is developing an automation labor multiplier or assistant to help produce faster. We know there's lots of challenges that people are facing right now in terms of labor shortages, in terms of quality of worker, and equipment is getting bigger and heavier. The modules are now almost 90 pounds, and so there's a lot of safety issues. So we are developing a system that helps to use the existing pool of people, and we make their job easier and faster and more productive. So the current version of our factory right now is early stage prototype, where you see modules being loaded back behind me using a robot. That's the heaviest component that people would typically be picking up on a regular basis. And it loads them into a buffer, and then we have torque tubes down at the other end that are moving in under the tent, and then we put them together in an assembly step, and we send that out to our rover, our delivery vehicle, and that takes it out to the point of install.
Our partnership with Terabase, we've been able to build on each other's strengths, really focusing on kind of where each one's areas of expertise are. Terabase comes from, the pure automation, new technologies aspect of ways to improve and different ways of doing things. SOLV, of course, brings its expertise of, being able to produce these very large-scale solar plants, get them up and running, and really has a huge network of experts in their field. So it's been really helpful being able to work, and I feel like we've been able to learn off each other.
What's really important when we're developing new technology is that everyone have the right expectation for what it will do. And so SOLV is forward-looking, and they want us to be here together with the owner. It's been a really good collaboration together because everyone wants everyone to be successful.
We're in the very early stages of getting the factory turned on, and already we're seeing areas where we are having pain points that will have to be addressed, and thinking of new ways to apply it in the future, and really excited to then focus on how can we scale this up, because that's the main goal. Is we do it here at a size that is easy to maintain, easy to focus on, and then kind of easy to take the data and analyze it, and then apply it to doing larger projects with even more automation applied.